Okay, guys, so I made about $1,600 a day trading Meta. Let's go into the chart so I can show you guys pretty much how I did. It was actually a pretty good trade. So just by looking at Meta, you guys can see that this is the 1 hour. So you guys know this is the time frame we take all our trades on. But let's go a little deeper. Let's go ahead and just do an analysis. So if you watch my previous video, you know I just previously made money from trading Meta a couple days ago. So I posted that video, but it's kind of like the same price action we're seeing. As you guys are seeing, the market is bullish towards the upside. I mean, we're seeing push down, push up, push down, push up, push down, push up, push down, push up, push down. So this is a bullish structure. So what we're expecting right here is push down and kind of like just continue to go towards the upside. But that is not what we got so far. Right now, we're just still in this zone right here, waiting to find that push. It hasn't happened yet. So if you go to the 4 hour time frame, as you guys can see, we're trading the price action that we're trading what we can see. We're not trading what we think is going to happen. We're trading what we can see, which is really important. So as you can see, this is a price action going towards the downside, and just from the 4 hour time frame, you can see from this high to this low over here, the market came back to retest 61% and pushed all the way back down. Now we can't really take the trade on the 4 hour because we need two bullet bearish candle, which takes pretty much the whole range, and plus we can't get a precise entry. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to a lower time frame. Before we do that, let's go ahead and identify the lower highs and the lower lows. So this is just the market giving us this push down, this push up, and this push down again. So let's go to a 2 hour time frame. Okay, so this is the 2 hour time frame. The first thing we see on the 2 hour time frame is, so we know we are bearish based on this momentum. This one's actually pretty good because the market, first of all, we had this kind of small pullback, then the market pushed back down. Now I know a lot of people got trapped in the thing market wanted to go towards the upside, but that's not what happened. I personally like to wait for the candle to close, which is what happened. So as you guys can, this is an 8:30 candle. Usually the 8:30 candle is always pretty tricky, so you want to be careful. So the market pushed up. As you guys can see, the sweep column, it didn't close. It didn't close at the side because if it had closed over here, I'd be looking for buys, but it didn't close, or I just wait till the side was taken out. One of those two. So we didn't get the close over here. Now, on this 2 hour time frame, we see the first break over here, then the second break. Still, the range is almost over. So we want to go to the 1 hour time frame, which is my preferred entry. Now, in the 1 hour time frame, what I'd like to see is, let's go ahead and label this sweep. So sweep. When I say sweep, the market just swept the high and it didn't close above it. So on the one time frame, what we can see is the market had been bullish. You can see the bullish momentum. We had a bullish candle, bullish candle, bullish candle. Then we had this indecision candle, so like a red candle, took out this high. So this is a bearish candle. We had this bullish candle as well. It kind of almost took out this high, I think. So this is a bullish candle. Then we had this bearish candle take out this low. So this is a bearish candle, even though it's green. Then we have another bearish candle right there. So what we always do is we like to get in on the trade on the second break. So we had the first break over here, then we had the second break. So our entry would be right here, stop loss here, and at the high, right there on this one. Okay. So on this trade, yeah, I made about 1,500. My entry wasn't precisely here. You know, you can't always catch the precise entry, but this is where I wanted the intro. But I got slacked in right here. 1.50. Yeah, so that's how I made about $1,500 on this trade, and this was actually a pretty good trade. This one took, I mean, let me see. This trade started out from right here, yeah, from right here to right here. So 4 hours, as you guys can see. By the way, I wanted to catch a 1 to 2. By the way, guys, a 1 to 2 on this trade, but I knew that this was low, and when this low was taken out, sometimes the market can, sometimes market can just keep, sometimes market can keep pushing down, or if it has a slow move, for example, after we took out the slow, you can see this next kind of came out and swept the side. My stop loss is here, so that's why I'll take me out for a $1,500 loss. I want to make at least 2,000 and some change on this trade, but because after this low was swiped, I didn't want to risk the market going back up, and I didn't want to just catch the retracement, so I just closed that right here for about a $1,600 win, somewhere around there, and this was it. And you're gonna see the proof on the other side of the screen, so you guys get to see me take the trade live, and you get to see my trade being closed out. So this was it. I mean, this, like I said, this was a $1,500 trade. Most of my trades take 2 days, but this one took about 4 hours. You guys can see, so pretty good trade on this one. So if you guys like the video, please like or subscribe, and or do both. It definitely helps my channel grow. So thank you for watching.